Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to boil appetizing white pepper Sichuan vegetable soup. Hope you like it. Pepper has a pungent and hot flavor, is good at warming the middle and dissipating cold, and can also reduce J and eliminate phlegm. Taking it can increase the body's sense of warmth and has a good effect on relieving stomach and abdominal cold pain, gastric bloating, diarrhea, etc. caused by cold stomach. Ingredients: white pepper seasoning powder, chicken, Sichuan vegetable, shiitake mushrooms. Wash the mushrooms, remove the stems, and make a cross in the middle. Slice Sichuan vegetable. There are 2 small packets of soup ingredients in one package. For my family, 1 small packet is enough for a small pot. Add in all ingredients into soup pot. Let's boil soup for approximately 30 minutes. Soup is cooked, seasoning to taste. I personally think that seasoning is not necessary because the mustard tuber is already very flavorful. If you like spicy food, you can add white pepper powder. This soup is spicy and delicious. After drinking a big bowl, my stomach feels warm. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Pepper has the effects of warming the middle and dispelling cold, eliminating phlegm and detoxifying. It is often used clinically to treat cold phlegm and food accumulation, cold pain in the abdomen, nausea and vomiting, cold dysentery, and other symptoms. Who can't eat pepper? Taboo groups: patients with diabetes, cough, vomiting blood, high blood pressure, and gastric ulcers should not eat it. Those with yin deficiency and fire should not eat it. Suitable groups: it can be eaten by the general population. It is especially suitable for patients with loss of appetite, colds, stomach cold, and vomiting. Pepper is spicy and hot in nature. It enters the stomach and large intestine meridians. It has the effects of warming the middle and lowering the chi, eliminating phlegm and detoxifying. It is mainly used to treat cold phlegm and food accumulation, cold pain in the abdomen, nausea, vomiting of clear water, diarrhea, and cold dysentery. It can be applied externally to treat sores, snake bites, and dog bites. It can also detoxify food. Eating pepper has side effects, mainly because pepper is a warm food. Eating it may cause sore throat, mouth sores, dry stool, and other internal heat symptoms. Moreover, pepper itself is a powder, which may irritate the nasal mucosa and cause sneezing, respiratory itching, and other symptoms, which is not good for your health. What nutrients does mustard tuber contain? In addition to its delicious flavor, mustard tuber is also rich in nutrients. Every 100 grams of mustard tuber contains 2.1 grams of dietary fiber, 2.2 grams of protein, and a variety of micronutrients, such as calcium, sodium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, manganese, selenium, iodine, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B1, and leucine, lysine, glycine, aspartic acid, etc. As a pickled vegetable, Sichuan hehe has an extremely high salt content during the pickling process, which is much higher than that of ordinary vegetables. Excessive sodium salt content will pose a threat and damage to the kidneys and greatly increase the detoxification pressure on the kidneys and liver. Long-term excessive consumption can easily cause related diseases. Therefore, the amount consumed in Sichuan vegetables should be controlled, otherwise it may cause edema and other discomfort symptoms. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.